Hello, I want to show you guys this here tool that I bought to open up iPhones and iPads and tablets and stuff. Basically get between the glass and casing, and it does work well. I bought this on iFixIt.com. I will post a link to it in the video description. It's called iSesame and made by DottorPod brand, it looks like. Yeah, so it's cool. I'll show you. The very tip, if you see, it's kind of just really super thin. It goes down to right there. You kind of see right there. And that will get in the crack real well. But you do still have to, before you use this, you've got to heat up the adhesive and stuff, just like normal. Because if you start using this and prying and stuff, you can break the glass still. This isn't just one tool to do it all. You do have to heat up that adhesive still. But it's very useful. Of course, it's going to get adhesive on it and stuff. So you got to clean this off. And what's weird right in here, that's from like the rear wireless charging material. It like will stain it. And that stuff is not coming off. It probably would scrape off. But yeah, so it's kind of weird. But yeah, you don't need that. So yeah, I trust iFixIt for their tools, and of course this isn't an iFixIt tool, but it is one that they recommend, and it had great reviews on their website, so that is why I got it to use. So yep, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching, and like this video if you liked it, and buy yourself one of these if you need it.